Good morning to all. I am Nagendra Reddy, Mathematics faculty. Today we are going to discuss about algebraic identities. I think you know very well about basic algebraic expressions. That means what is variable definition, what is constant, what is algebraic expressions and operations on algebraic expressions. So today we are going to discuss about these algebraic identities. So before going to discuss about the algebraic identities, what is identity? Identity is an equation which satisfies for all values of variables in it. So identity is the equation which satisfies for all values of the variables in it. For example, I will take first identity a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square means a plus b into a plus b. So a plus b into a plus b. So here the basic multiplication. So here a into a plus b plus b into a plus b. So here a into a square plus a into b, ab plus b into ab plus b into b square. So that is equal to a square plus ab plus ab, 2ab plus 2ab plus b square. So a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square plus b square. So similarly we can write a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So now I am going to give some example problems on these two identities. First one, expand 2a plus b, expand 2a plus b whole square. So now it is in the form of a plus b whole square. We know that a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So if you compare 2a plus b whole square with a plus b whole square, a value will become 2a, b value is b only. So it can be written as 2a whole square plus 2 into 2a into b plus b square. So what is a 2a whole square? 2a into 2a, 4a square plus 2 into 2, 4a into b, ab, 4ab plus b square. So it is the expansion of 2a plus b whole square. Next problem. Take one more example. 3l plus 4 whole square. 3l plus 4 whole square. Again it is in the form of a plus b whole square. So here a is equal to 3l, b is equal to 4. So 3l whole square plus 2 into 3l into 4 plus 4 square. So what is 3l square? 3l into 3l, 9l square plus 2 into 3, 6. 6 into 4, 24. 24l plus 4 square, 16. So this is the expansion of 3l plus 4 whole square. Next. What is our second identity? Our second identity is a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So for this one, expand 2x minus y whole square, 2x minus y whole square. So now it is in the form of a minus b whole square. So here a value is 2x, b value is y. So 2x whole square minus 2 into 2x into y plus y square, that is equal to 4x square minus 2 into 2 4xy plus y square. So 2x minus y whole square is equal to 4x square minus 4xy plus y square. And we will do one more example sum. So expand 5m minus 7 whole square. Again it is in the form of a minus b whole square. So here a value is 5m, b value is 7. So 5m whole square minus 2 into 5m into 7 plus 7 square. So what is 5m whole square? 5m into 5m, 25m square minus 2 into 5, 10, 10 into 7, 70, 70m plus 7 square, 7 into 7, 49. So this is the expansion of 5m minus 7 whole square. Now third identity. What is our third identity? A plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. So here also general multiplication only. So a into a minus b plus b into a minus b. So again a into a square minus a into b, ab plus b into ab minus b into b, b square. So here minus ab plus ab gets cancelled, a square minus b square. That means a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Now we will do some example problems on this identity. So a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Now first one, example, y minus 9 into y plus 9. So now it is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. Here a value is y, b value is 9. So a square means y square minus b value is 9 square. That is equal to y square minus 9 square value 81. 9 square value 81. And one more example we will do. What is that one more example? Find the value of, or simplify 2x minus 3 into 2x plus 3. So again it is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. Here a value is 2x, b value is 3. So a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So here 2x minus 3 into 2x plus 3 is equal to 2x whole square minus 3 square. 2x whole square value 4x square minus 9. 4x square minus 9. So now we are discussing about some results based on these two identities. Take this first identity, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab as equation 1. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Take it as 1. And a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Take it as 2. Now equation 1 plus equation 2. equation 1 plus equation 2. So what is equation 1 plus equation 2? A plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus a square, 2a square plus 2ab minus 2ab, 2ab minus 2ab gets cancelled. So b square plus b square, 2b square. So a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is equal to 2a square plus 2b square. Next, equation 1 minus equation 2. That means a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. So a square minus a square, 0. 2ab minus of minus 2ab. So minus of minus will become plus. 2ab plus 2ab, 4ab. 4ab. B square minus b square, 0. So a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is equal to 4ab. So now I will give some example problems on these two conditions. Find the value of x plus 2 whole square, x plus 2 whole square plus x minus 2 whole square. So according to this results, what is a value? A is equal to x, b is equal to 2. So that is equal to 2 into x square plus 2 into b square value 2 square. That is equal to 2x square plus 2 into 2 square value 4 into 2 8. So for this same example or same problem, I will take example for this also. X plus 2 whole square minus x minus 2 whole square is equal to 4ab. Here what is a value? A value is x, b value is 2. 4 into x into 2, that is equal to 8x. Now we will do some more problems on these three identities. See, for example, if x plus 1 by x is equal to 3, then what is x square plus 1 by x square? So now I will take x plus 1 by x is equal to 3 and squaring on both sides. X plus 1 by x whole square is equal to 3 square. Now it is in the form of a plus b whole square. That means a square plus b square plus 2 into x into 1 by x is equal to 9. X gets cancelled. X square plus 1 by x square plus 2 is equal to 9. X square plus 1 by x square is equal to 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 2, 7. These kind of problems are very much important for all competitive exams also. And one more problem we will do. If a plus b is equal to 10, if a plus b is equal to 10 and ab is equal to 21, then find a square plus b square. Again take this one, squaring on both sides. A plus b is equal to 10. So a plus b whole square is equal to 10 square. So expand this one, a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to 100. So a square plus b square plus 2 into what is ab value? 21 is equal to 100. So a square plus b square plus 42 is equal to 100. A square plus b square is equal to 100 minus 42 that is equal to 58. So students, in next class we will discuss about remaining identities. Thanks.